Welcome back. I had a nice conversation with my mother just a couple days ago, and what she brought up was something that you, as a business owner, probably already know to one extent, but I wanted to bring forward the thought process to what kind of implications of this would be to you as the owner and to how you run your business. Now, what my mother talked about was the fact that my cousin had the ability to buy into the company that he's been working for many years. Great opportunity, as you're well aware that business owners have a lot going for them with respect to not only tax law benefits, but also obviously being an owner, he gets a larger share of the overall profits and revenues of the company. So there's a lot riding on this. Now, one thing she brought up that is something that I'm so proud of my mother for doing is the fact that there are a lot of things that come into play when you're looking to structure deals, when you're looking to reevaluate different parts of your business. Now, in this particular case, my cousin needed advice from a lawyer on structuring the deal correctly. Now, that's one piece of the puzzle, structuring the deal, how to make sure that he's getting the benefit from this deal as well, so that it's a win-win for not only him but also for the company, and that anything unforeseen is already thought about and put into place in the documents. That's a big piece of the puzzle, again, that I know that you're well aware of. But what this really reminded me of is the benefit of what you call overall holistic wealth planning. You see, we have the ability to look at, what's the next chapter of your life going to look like. Well, we have that in place, and we can model that, and we can look at that. Well, we have the investment front, the asset front, and we know what to look at there and the things and the ways that that's going to be beneficial to you. Well, there's another piece of the puzzle, part of what I call business enrichment, that comes back to the people that you work with and looking at the gaps that exist in your business. So we may have anything from just in need of a CPA that knows specific tax laws specific to your business, or just making sure that we have payroll done correctly, to more important CPAs that are looking at red letter rulings, making sure that we have the ability to be within the guidelines of the IRS in what you're doing. Or maybe we just need those documents in place that are limiting your liability in case things happen. Well, there's other pieces that come into it as well, that whether it's key employee insurance, key person insurance is another phrase for that, or buy-sell agreements. There's so much to think about. And one of the best benefits of a holistic wealth plan that looks at your business as well is that you get to utilize all the resources of the professionals around you. Now, the best benefit is when those professionals talk together and come up with the solutions and the strategies together. So no longer is a CPA that is supposed to be forward thinking of tax law not talking to the accountant who is supposed to be making sure that all the details of your tax overall strategy is taken into account when we do your taxes. Or what if you're going to be, in this case, selling your business? What does that mean for you as the owner? How can we structure correctly the sale, whether it's having other employees buy into the business, or whether you're just going to sell outright to a third party, or maybe even give it to the kids? How can you get the most value with the least amount of tax impact? All of that comes back down to the wealth management piece that is part of the advanced planning, as part of the business enrichment to make sure that you're taken care of. That's the piece that you can be looking forward to more and more when you talk to wealth planners, and making sure that they know the business aspect, not just the investment aspect. If you need advice or to see if there's any gaps in your business enrichment plan, your overall wealth plan, and how that business relates not only to your family, but then also to your community, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to talk more. Either myself or one of my team members will be giving you a call, schedule a 15-minute time to chat, learn a little bit more about you, and see if there are ways that maybe you are even unaware of, how you can be benefiting from the just enrichment of everyone around you, the professionals that you have in place. Take care.